Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the fascinating world of the periodic table. Yep, that chart you've probably seen hanging in your chemistry class, but trust me, it's way cooler than it looks. So, why is the periodic table such a big deal? Well, it's not just a random collection of elements, it's a powerful tool that reveals secrets about the chemical properties of every element. Let's break it down. First off, the periodic table is arranged in a very specific way. The rows are called periods, and the columns are called groups. Each element's position tells us a lot about its behavior. For example, elements in the same group have similar chemical properties. This is because they have the same number of electrons in their outer shell. Take group 1, the alkali metals. These guys are super reactive, think sodium and potassium. They love to lose that one outer electron, making them highly reactive with water. Pretty explosive, right? Now let's talk about periods. As you move from left to right across a period, the elements become less metallic and more non-metallic. This is due to the increasing number of protons in the nucleus, which attracts electrons more strongly. So essentially, the periodic table is like a map of chemical behavior. And then there are the transition metals in the middle. These elements are like the Swiss Army knife of the table. They can form multiple types of ions and are often used as catalysts in chemical reactions. Think about iron, which is essential for making steel, or platinum used in catalytic converters. But wait, there's more. The table also tells us about atomic size, ionization energy, and electronegativity. Atomic size decreases from left to right across a period, but increases down a group. Ionization energy, or the energy needed to remove an electron, increases across a period but decreases down a group. And electronegativity, which is an atom's ability to attract electrons, follows a similar trend. Knowing these trends can help predict how elements will react with each other. For example, fluorine, in group 17, is highly electronegative and loves to gain electrons. This makes it extremely reactive, especially with alkali metals. The periodic table is not just a list, it's a storybook of chemistry. Each element has its own story, and the table helps us understand how these stories interconnect. So next time you see that colorful chart, remember that it's a gateway to understanding the building blocks of our universe. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this dive into the periodic table, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome science content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.